So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So I'm going to try and explain in 1 minute what is a dollar cost averaging. So basically, let's go downwards. Let's say you've got a broad index fund. So we're going to do, for instance, MSI, which basically MSSI means the World Index Fund. So we're going to put here World. So let's say the World Index Funds almost always goes like this. Okay. Well, let's say this is obviously the time horizon. Well, basically, if you buy every single time just like this, every single month you just buy, you dollar cost average, which means you always buy no matter the price. Over a long period of time, what you'll have is this. There you go. You'll have a straight line over here because you've bought here, 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 here. And this is one of the best ways of investing. You just buy every single time, no matter what, over time. And over a long period of time, you'll get cool benefits. Okay, this is basically what means a dollar cost averaging. The contrary would be, I'm going to show you real quick for those of you who want to know. Basically, the contrary would be you just get a graphic, let's say here, and you just buy here. And if you zoom in, probably you'll see the same graphic we've seen before. You'll have this along the way. So maybe you bought around here in the all-time high, but over a long period of time, you'll also get good results. It's just that this is lump sum. Many like to call it lump sum. I just think it's better mentally if you buy every single month and just forget it. I think it's personally better, okay? Let me know in the comments what you think.